Okay, first graders, I hope that your parents listened to that family letter that I read to them and showed them how to do first grade math. If your parents are young, they probably learned it this way too. Otherwise, they might think Mrs. Bennett's a little crazy right now, and you're going to have to help them with it, okay? We have some fun activities, and I would really love it if mom or dad could sit here and watch you do your math today, because there's going to be a game for you to play as a family afterwards. All right, so pull out page 243. That's the page you should be on, and we're going to visit an apple orchard. And at this apple orchard, Uncle David has 28 apples, okay? Now, we're only going to count the tens, all right? So watch me carefully as I do it. Right now, you're just watching. I'm going to count the apples, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many are here? Yes, there are 10 apples in this bundle right here, okay? All right, let's keep going, because it says he has 28, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So how many apples are there all together? There's 10 here. There's 10 here. We know that 10 plus 10 equals 20. But it says that Uncle David has 28 apples. So where should we put the other 8? Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to put them right here. These are going to be our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you know we always leave a space after 5. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's count how many apples Uncle David has. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Do you agree that Uncle David has 28 apples? These are only Uncle David's, okay? Aunt Sarah's apples are in this tree, okay? And Aunt Sarah has 16 apples. So let's count Aunt Sarah's apples. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have filled up Aunt Sarah's 10 frame. Okay, she's got 10 apples here. It says put the extra apples here. So let's keep counting till we get to 16. All right. So we have 10 here. We're going to keep counting. We're going to keep making more apples until we get to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, do you agree that Aunt Sarah has 16 apples here? Yeah? All right, now we're going to get a little tricky, okay? So now we need to add Uncle David's apples to Aunt Sarah's apples to see how many they have all together, all right? And the first part's really easy. We're going to take this first basket of Uncle David and we're going to bring it right down here. And we're going to dump them into this basket, okay? So if he has 10 in this basket, he also has 10 in this basket, right? Okay, so we've used this 10 up. We're going to put an X on it, all right? Now we're going to bring down this basket of Uncle David's. We're going to bring it down here and we're going to dump it into this basket. All right. So let's go ahead and dump these 10 apples into this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we've emptied that basket. We can cross it off. Do we have any more baskets? Oh yeah, we do. We have Aunt Sarah's basket. So we're going to bring Aunt Sarah's basket down and we're going to dump it into this basket. All right. So let's fill hers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we have filled up 3 baskets. We have these 3. 1, 2, 3. We have these 3. And each of them have 10 in them. How many is that altogether? 10, 20, 30, right? We're at 30 right now. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 10, 20, 30. All right. Now we're going to look at all these extra apples right here, okay? And we're going to take them one at a time and put them down here into this bucket, all right? So we're going to bring this one down, going to exit out, and we're going to put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Is this basket full? How many does it have in it? It's got 10 more, right? Okay, now it says put the extra apples here. Are there any apples that we didn't cross out? There are. Let's circle them. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not enough to fill a bucket. So we're going to just put them down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not really black apples. I just wanted you to be able to tell the difference. Okay, so we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. All right, do you think you can figure out how many there are? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, so how many apples do Uncle David and Aunt Sarah have all together? 44. Now, boys and girls, if that was too fast and you need to pause this video to do yours, you can. Or if you need to watch it again so you understand it better. When you feel like you understand it, I want you to turn over to the back of this page and we're going to try a different one, all right? Okay, so here we have Uncle David again and Aunt Sarah. And this time, Uncle David, this is his tree, he has 26 apples. All right, so this time we're just going to count them all together, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do we need to keep going? Yeah, because he's got 26. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, do you agree that there are 26 apples? We have 10, right? and 10 more, and 6 more. So we have 26, okay? Now we're going to do Sarah's apples, all right? Okay, here's Aunt Sarah. This is her apple tree, and she has 20 apples this time. So let's make Aunt Sarah's apples. Here we go, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Does she have more than 20? Oh, she doesn't. She only has 20, so she does not have any extra apples. So we aren't going to put any apples here. All right, because she just has 10 and 10 more. She just has 20. Okay, now we need to move all of our 10s down into these 10 frames or baskets, okay? So we're going to take this 10 of Uncle David's, we're going to move it down here. All right? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to take this 10 of Uncle David's and we're going to move it down to this basket. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now remember, we're not going to worry about the extra ones yet. Okay? We're going to go over to Aunt Sarah. We're going to bring these 10 down here. Oh, we forgot to cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Cross those out, and then we're going to bring this basket down here. There's also 10 in those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to put our extra apples here. We need to make sure that there's not more than 10 extra apples. So let's count how many there were. 1, we're going to bring it down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So were there enough extra apples to fill another basket? No, there were only 6 extra. So now we're going to count and see how many apples we have all together. Are you ready? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Now, if we were to write this number with our 10 sticks and 1 blocks, it would look like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Do you remember doing that several months ago? All right, so that's what it would look like. Boys and girls, we are out of time for today. When you come back tomorrow, I have a fun family game that you are going to get to play with your family. So tell them to get ready. Wednesday is going to be a family activity. See you soon.